Video, we are going to prove if A and B are two positive real numbers, A times B greater than E, P and Q are both greater than 1, and 1 over P plus 1 over Q equals 1, then AB to the power of A to the power of P over P plus B to the power of Q over Q is greater or equal than A to the power of P over P plus B to the power of Q over Q to the power of A. To prove this inequality, we start with proving if X and Y are two real numbers greater than E and X is smaller than Y, then X to the power of Y is greater or equal than Y to the power of X. We call it a star. To prove this, we consider function f from 0 to infinity to r. F of x equals log of x over x. Derivative of this function is 1 minus natural log of x divided by x2, which is negative when x is greater than e. Therefore, f of x is a decreasing function in its domain. That means if x is smaller than y, f of x is greater or equal than f of y. F of x is log of x over x, f of y is log of y over y. Therefore, y log of x is greater or equal than x log of y, and that means x log of x to the power of y is greater or equal than y to the power of x. Now, if we assume x is AB and y equals a to the power of p over p plus b to the power of q over q, using Young's inequality, we know a times b. That means x is smaller or equal than a to the power of p over p plus b to the power of q over q. We call it y. Using the star, we can say x to the power of y is greater or equal than y to the power of x, which is the desired inequality. Thanks for watching.